Now that you've created your app, let's now create Swift SAP Find and Browse form. Let's dive in. Look for the Add Find Browse Form option and give it a click. A pop-up will appear. Now in the pop-up, start by giving your form a name. Next, select the S4 HANA module, Application, Entity, an entity action that best fits your form's purpose from the drop-downs. Once you're done, hit the Create button. Great! You're now in the Find and Browse Form Designer. Feel free to drag and drop fields according to your preferences. Want a card or grid view? You got it. Choose your preferred style for the card view by selecting colors and font types that resonate with your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your customization, don't forget to click Save to preserve your changes. Now, let's take your creation for a spin. Go to the Settings and click on End User Portal. From there, launch the app. You'll be prompted to log in using your credentials. Once logged in, find the one you just created the Find and Browse form for, and voila! Behold the results of your work. Your Find and Browse form, customized just the way you like it, is ready to serve its purpose. That's how it will appear in the mobile app. And there you have it. Creating and customizing a Swift Find and Browse form integrated with SAP S4 HANA is as easy as pie. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of your personalized form.